guys, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we will keep on studying the nasal final. The first one is n. N. It comes from character n. N. It is an expression of agreement. N. N. When we pronouncing n, pronounced firstly, then move the tip of the tongue to the upper gums, making a nasal n. 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 Let's learn the four tones of n. 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 The second one is on. On. It came from two characters, hung, which means hum in English. On. When we pronouncing on, pronounce with nasal on. Let's learn the four tones of on. 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 Let's review what we have learned this time. N. N. On. On. The homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. Okay, so much for today. See you next time. 再见。